station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Sandra Jones. This week, 4 humans successfully splashed down in the Gulf of Mexico after a nearly 6-month mission in space, and science abounds on the International Space Station.
Dragon, SpaceX on the big loop, all hooks open and nominal.
Dragon copies, we see separation.
On Sunday, May 2nd, SpaceX's Crew Dragon, carrying NASA astronauts Michael Hopkins, Victor Glover, and Shannon Walker, and Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Soichi Noguchi returned to Earth, completing a successful splashdown at 2:56 a.m. Eastern Time off the coast of Panama City, Florida. Crew 1 is the first night splashdown of a U.S. spacecraft since Apollo 8 in 1968. This also marks the longest duration mission of a crewed American spacecraft to date. Back in space, the crew is keeping busy with science investigations and studies aboard the space station. One important investigation includes the continuing tissue chips in space studies. Tissue chips are small models of human organs containing multiple cell types which behave similarly as they do in the body. These chips make it possible to identify safe and effective therapies like drugs or vaccines much more quickly than on Earth. The changes that occur in the human body during spaceflight resemble the onset and progression of aging and diseases on Earth, but happen more quickly in microgravity. Scientists can study tissue chips in space to model diseases that may take months or years to develop on Earth. But the science doesn't stop there. This week, NASA astronaut Shane Kimbrough utilized Astro robotics to conduct research related to space debris. The experiment, named Relative Operations for Autonomous Maneuvers, or ROAM, demonstrates processes for a robotic craft to rendezvous with debris in space. Space debris can include objects like satellites that could be repaired or taken out of orbit. However, because many of these objects are tumbling, it makes rendezvous and docking challenging. ROAM uses the space station's Astro robots to observe and understand how targets tumble and uses this information to plan ways to safely reach them. This research could help address how space debris decreases the availability of safe orbits for satellites, including those critical for weather observation, climate monitoring, and communications on Earth. And that's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.